Okay, YouTubers, we're going to go ahead and put the last fit reverse lights for a 2015 Silverado. Here we are with just the regular backup lights on. Then we'll see how well they look with the new lights on. Okay, here's this shot with obviously the left one. I put the last fit in, and then on the right side I left it the way it is. So that, wow, that left one, it's crazy. It's so much brighter. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the right one in, and then we'll check it out again too. But obviously, it definitely looks like it's gonna make a big difference on being able to see behind us. And obviously, if you have a 2015 with the original, you'll be able to tell the difference and know exactly what I'm talking about when you're backing up and you can't see anything behind you. I want to go ahead and show you, these here are the lights that I ordered, and this was through Amazon. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but we'll be able to put down in the description where it was and a link to it. And here, so you can see the difference in the two bulbs. Obviously the LEDs on the left and the regular bulbs on the right, but that way you can see the difference in the two bulbs. Okay, so all you have to do is take the two screws out. I'm sure pretty much everybody knows how to take the now remember, these clips, they just pop straight back now on the other side, which would be the right side, so you just got to kind of work them out, then pop it, kind of pull it straight towards you. There you go. As you can see, those just pop right back in. You just twist the bulb to pull it out. There you go. Pull the bulb straight out. Grab your new LED, which makes such a difference. Just pops right in. Nothing to it. Probably barely fits in there, it looks like. So and then twist it right back in. Pop those back in. Okay, let's see, I installed both of the tail light or reverse lights now, so wow. Do it again one more time. Wow, that does make a difference. Yeah, go ahead and pull forward and then back up. Yeah, here we go. We'll kind of show you how it looks now. In the dark, obviously it's pitch dark, and what a difference that makes. So we'll see how they last and how long they last, at least. And if you have a 2015 Silverado and you know how it is to back up with the regular backup lights they have installed, this is definitely a big game changer here, and it really looks a lot better and so much brighter, for sure. So give it a chance, try it out, and I'll let you know later how long it works out, and I'm pretty sure it's going to do a good job.